Emily LaPointe from Northern Contours, here to give you a tour of our NC Gallery booth. So if you're not familiar with us, Northern Contours has a lot of different products. We pride ourselves on being kind of the front and center of design and trends. You can start to see some of that looking at these beautiful options we have for you here. But I just want to give you kind of a quick overview of our different product lines, some of the distinctions between them, and some of the capabilities that we have. So let's start with our largest, most comprehensive product line. It's 3D laminates. So a couple examples here in a shaker style, really one of the most popular styles for us, and some beautiful colors, blues and greens. Hot, hot, hot. That's why they make the gallery. And also shown here in the lowers, this is one of our new door styles. It's called Shaker Inset. And you see nice tight reveals. It kind of replicates the look of an inset door, but in a one-piece door solution. So kind of a feature and benefit of 3D laminate doors is seamless faces and edges. So everything's super clean. So the other part of our 3D laminates are our surfaces. So we do a number of different custom or catalog surface options, whether you're needing them for a home space like a closet island, or a commercial space, say you want an occasional table or an office desk. So we've got lots of options for that. One of our custom routing examples is this little laundry chute. So you could throw your clothes in there, easy enough. Somebody's gonna throw clothes at me. Throw your clothes in there. Easy as that. So a lot of options for functional routing when it comes to 3D laminates. Another product line that kind of walks hand in hand with our 3D laminates is our 5-piece doors. So I've got an example back there, an example here. This is a really great line for our wood grains because we can see that true grain orientation. It fits a lot of different classic and transitional styles, and both the pattern and the texture that is available now in 5-piece doors is really incredible and super beautiful. Every 5-piece color has a matching 3D laminate, so you can get kind of that full gamut of accessories that you need, whether it's crown molding or floating shelf. Our third product line is Level. That's our edge banded profile. You see an example of serene acrylic up there, nice crisp square corners, and then also an example here. This is a textured TFL in Niza. Fourth product line is our wood veneer line. It's an example of a reconstituted wood veneer. We do have natural and exotic species as well. Recon's one of my favorites though for the consistency and the pattern and really beautiful colors that you can get out of it, like these grays, without having to stain. You just put a clear coat on it and it's ready to go. Just a couple examples here of our different sample decks that you can always ask your local sales representative for. You can even ask me for them, I'll give them to you. And we keep top shelf stuff behind closed doors. No, we don't, we'll give you these too. So this is just some examples of our wood veneer chips. We can give you a deck of those. And then we also have some specialty materials like Phoenix, and we have sample chips of those too by request. And to kind of cap things off, I just want to show you one of the feature products that we have this year. Started dipping into it a little bit. It's 3 colors across 3 different product lines. So again, the textured TFL, a 5-piece door, and a 3D laminate. So 3 color options. This is Niza, probably one of the best selling options out of the 3, and certainly beautiful. And you can see the quality of the match just by like me breaking the plane. Do you even see the other components there? You might not. But I hope you've enjoyed a tour of our product lines. Ask us any questions that you have, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.